Hi all, welcome back. This yummy crispy chicken kebab is made using an air fryer. Who doesn't like to eat yummy food with very less oil? This new year my resolution was to eat healthy food and I decided to invest in an air fryer. Sharing my recipe Bihari chicken kebab using an air fryer. So keep watching. First I'm going to start by preparing the marination for the kebab. Here I've taken around 4 dried red chilies and I'm going to add around half spoon of black peppercorns, 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 clove and 1 cardamom. Along with this I'm going to add 1 onion, but I have sauteed the onion on a pan until the onion loses its smell and it becomes nice and brown. I'm going to add this onion. Along with this I'm going to add puffed chana dal around 3 tablespoons. Also going to add poppy seed 1 tablespoon. Adding mustard oil, this adds a nice smokiness to the kebabs. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. If you want you can use olive oil. Also adding half cup of curd, and now I'm going to grind this into a smooth paste. Now I'm going to transfer the chicken into a bowl. I have used boneless pieces of chicken and I'm going to start the marination by adding salt, half spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, and I've used only quarter spoon of red chili powder. If you want you can increase it according to your taste level. Adding 1 spoon of garlic paste and 1 spoon of ginger paste. Now I am going to add the grinded masala. And now mix the chicken well and let it marinate for around half an hour, or if you have time you can leave it to marinate for 1 hour or more. Now while it is marinating, it's time for me to switch on the air fryer and I'm going to preheat it for 180 degrees Celsius. Whenever you cook anything in air fryer, it is very important to preheat it. I am going to preheat it for 4 minutes. Now it's nicely heated. I am going to take out this pan and now I am going to grease the pan with very little bit oil. After greasing the pan, I am going to lay the kebab nicely. And I'm going to smudge a little bit of oil over the kebab. If you want you can use ghee. Adding ghee will definitely increase the flavor of the kebab. Now I'm going to cook the boneless chicken pieces for 10 minutes. This is boneless chicken and it tends to cook faster, so 10 minutes is enough. After 10 minutes I'm going to check for the kebabs. They have turned out super yummy and super crispy. I hope you like this recipe. If yes, do give this video a thumbs up and comment if you want to see more recipes using air fryer. And thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.